Before you can use Flash video on your site, you'll need to decide how to deliver the video. The two primary options are to deliver it as a progressive download, which is the first option here on the deployment window of the import wizard. You can also deliver it as a streaming video from your own Flash media server, which was formerly known as the Flash communication server, which is the third option. Or you can host it on a server using the Flash video streaming services, which is the second option. Notice that there's another option here, the fourth one on the radio list. This is embedding the video in the Flash timeline. However, this is recommended only for very short video clips with no audio track, and if you need the video to be in the same file as the published SWF file. I'll cover each of these delivery options in much more detail later, but let me provide a summary in this movie, starting with progressive download, or FLV. This enables developers to use ActionScript commands to feed external FLV files into a Flash movie and play them back during runtime. With this method, the video content is kept in an external FLV file to the other Flash content and the video playback controls, which both reside in the SWF file. When the video is played, the video file is downloaded to the client's computer before playback. However, unlike traditional download and play methods of video delivery, the file starts playing before it is completely downloaded. Next, the streaming options. This also produces an FLV file. And as is the case with progressive download, when you use streaming video, FLV files are kept external to the other Flash content. Developers use ActionScript to feed these external FLV files into a Flash movie and play them back during runtime. In fact, the ActionScript code needed for streaming video is almost identical to that for progressive download. However, that's where the similarities end. In the case of streaming video, each client opens a persistent connection to the streaming server, and the server streams the video bits to the requesting client. Those bits are consumed by the viewer and then immediately discarded. This tight connection between the server and the client enables publishers to control every aspect of the video experience, including the ability to webcast live events, vary the streaming rates based on a visitor's bandwidth, automatically create chapters from one long video file, complete with appropriate thumbnails and navigation capabilities, and much, much more. To help you determine which of these delivery methods will work best for your particular needs, Macromedia has provided this chart. Find your situation here on the left, and then an X in the box will indicate that's the recommended delivery method. For example, if your clip is under 5 seconds long, then embedded options are okay. 5 to 30 seconds long, you should go with progressive or streaming. Anything that's over 30 seconds long, Macromedia recommends going with the streaming delivery method. Low viewership is expected, is good for embedded or progressive. Medium to high viewership, it's recommended that you use the streaming delivery method. If you want the video to start immediately, you'll need to go with the streaming option, as well as if you want intellectual property protection, live video streams, or variable streaming rates based on a visitor's bandwidth. Now, after choosing a delivery option, you must then choose an authoring tool to use, either Flash or Dreamweaver. So let me cover how to author your Flash videos using Dreamweaver, and I'll do this in the next movie.